In this segment, we'll be baking a French apple cake. Begin by peeling, coring, and slicing 6 medium apples. Brown 1 stick of butter over medium heat. Pour brown butter into a bowl. Add 1/2 cup sugar, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, a 1/2 teaspoon salt, and mix well. Add 2 eggs, 2/3 cup flour, and 1 teaspoon baking powder, and mix well. Add the apples back to the pan that you browned the butter and chop 1 cup walnuts and add to the pan. Okay, we've started to cook the apples and we've added our walnuts, and now we're going to add a little bit of cinnamon.
Did you say cinnamon?
Yes, cinnamon.
Oh, cinnamon, cinnamon, gotta give me some cinnamon, 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 gotta give me some of that stuff you use it when you bake. You put it in a cake and then you start to shake and then you feel awake. Oh, cinnamon, gotta give me that stuff.
Okay, so we're gonna let the apples continue to cook until they're soft. Once the apples have cooled completely, mix into the batter. We'll be using a 9-inch cake pan that needs to be buttered thoroughly. Dust the pan with flour and pour out any excess. Add the batter to the cake pan and even out. Bake the cake at 375 degrees for 45 minutes. Once finished, let the cake cool in the pan for 5 minutes. Once cool, remove the cake by inverting the cake pan onto a wire rack and let cool completely until room temperature.
Let's see if we can get a slice of this cake out. It's really moist. Let's have a bite of this cake. It looks really good. I can see the chunks of apple. It's delicious. I hope you can enjoy some French apple cake soon.